Have you ever wondered, why do we hiccup? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm contracts suddenly, making you inhale quickly. Then your vocal cords snap shut, making the hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even getting excited. It all happens because of nerve signals from your brain to your diaphragm. Some scientists believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from our fish-like ancestors. You can stop hiccups by holding your breath, drinking water, or swallowing sugar. But if hiccups last more than 48 hours, see a doctor. Now you know why we hiccup. What's your trick to stop them?